Hello world, my name is Mukesh Kumar and I'm from India. I'm excited to present my CS50 final project, ToDo App. This app built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Python, Flask and SQLite for the database. It helps users to efficiently manage their tasks. Let me explain its features. There is a user registrations and login. Users can register with their email, username and password and log in to the access to their dashboard. After logging in, users can see their to-do displayed in a clean, responsive layout. And there is a functionality of add, update and delete task. User can add a new task, update existing ones or delete tasks they no longer need. There is also sorting and searching functionality. To-dos can be sorted by title or creations date, and search bar allows users to quickly find specific tasks. And there is a function of change password also. User can change their password securely and they are redirected to the login page afterward. And there is a about section. The app also includes an about section to explain its all purpose and uses. I hope this project demonstrates the skills I have learned, and thank you for watching.